In my last video, I finished the rear corner of the driver's side new fender on the wide short Impreza. In this video, I'm going to start working on the front end. And it's going to be a little controversial, but on the front end, I'm going to redo the entire front. Bumper, fender, hood, grille, headlights. And the most important change I'm making is that I am going to take the front of the fender and the front of the hood and move them up 3 inches. The hood is going to be standard. The headlights and turn indicators will be standard, but they will be sitting 3 inches higher than normal. The reason I'm doing this is that the back end of the car is very big, the front end is very small, and there are some difficulties in making a wide body fit. So I've already placed the fender up 3 inches in the front, and the body line on the door is almost horizontal now. Now it's not perfectly horizontal, it still needs to have a little bit of wedge in the front, but with the original angle, this body line dropped down to about here. And the difficulty with that, as can be seen on the 22B, is that you have to put the arch higher up and then pinch it back down into a smaller area. So by moving the front of the hood and the front of the fender up, I am reducing the amount of pinch I have to put when the flare, which will go up to about right here, it reduces the amount of pinch at the front of the flare. That makes it an easier piece to make with the tools I have. I'm not going to do anything with the English wheel or a power hammer or a planishing hammer because I want this to be a true DIY project. So the process is that I am going to take the panel behind the headlights and drill out the pinch welds, possibly if they're easy to get to, or just section the whole piece and move it up. I am not moving the bumper mount or the crash protection, so it's all just aesthetics. The hood latch mount and the headlight buckets will get moved up, and after that I'll work on the fender and we'll see how everything turns out. Please support my project on Patreon. It's patreon.com/pseudo_mechanic. Thank you.